Hello students, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we are going to talk about one of the interesting topic, how to draw the as diagram for the given set. Okay, let us see one problem. If capital X equal to the given finite set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and the relation set are defined on X by using the condition A comma B such that A divides B. If A divides B means whenever you divide any two element, we should get remainder value is 0. Okay, that is called A divides B. Draw the as diagram of X comma relation set. Okay, before we draw the as diagram, let us recollect one important result. Please keep in your mind whenever we draw the as diagram of given set. Okay, so we don't have considered the self loop and transitive of the vertices. So now we draw the as diagram. So before that we write given set values. What is given set? Capital X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Okay, so using given set we draw the as diagram. So what is the procedure? So we have to verify x less than y. You consider first element is x, second element is y. If x less than, then what? We have to connect the line between them. If x divides y, okay, x divides y means what? We get remainder value is 0. Okay, so here 1 divides 2. Okay, 1. So therefore you consider this is 1. So 1 divides 2. Therefore we have to connect the line between 1 and 2. Suppose 1 does not divide 2 means connect the line between 1 and 2. However, they are connected what? One or more number of elements in the given set. Okay. Similarly, you consider a second and a third. Here, 2 less than 3, right? And 2 divides 3. Why? Because we get remainder value is what? Some non-zero. So that they are not connected directly through a single line. They are connected with one or more number of. Whenever 2 not divide 3, go to previous one. Okay, so 1 is divides 3. Okay, we get remainder value is 0. Therefore you consider this point is 3. So therefore 1 divides 3. Okay, coming to 3 and 4. Here you see 3 less than 4, but 3 is not divided. Okay, therefore go to previous one. 2 is divide 4, right? So you consider this is 4, 2 is divide 4, and also 1 also divide 4. If you connect 1 to 4, you get transitive property. What is transitive property? 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4 means we get 1 comma 4. So you get transitive property. Therefore you don't connect the line between 1 and 4. Okay, next you see 4 and 6. 4 is less than 6. Okay, 4 is less than 6 and 4 is not divided 6. Okay, therefore go to previous one. 3 is divided 6, right? So you consider here 6. 3 is divided 6. We draw the line between 3 and 6, and also not only 3, 2 also divide 6, right? So you connect 2 also divide 6, 1 also divide 6. If you connect 1 to 6, you get a transitive property. So you don't between 1 and 6. Okay, coming to 6 and 8. Here 6 less than 8, but 6 is not divide 8. Okay, so go to previous one. 4 is divide 8, right? So I am going to consider this point is 8. Okay, so 4 is divide 8. 3 is not 8. Go to previous one. 2 also divide 8. So already it is connected. Okay, so 1 also divide. If you connect 1 to 8, you get transitive property. Next you consider 8 and 12. So 8 less than 12, but not divided 12. So go to previous one. 6 divides 12, right? So I am going to consider this is 12. This is 12. Okay, so here 6 is divides 12. Okay, 4 also divides right? So 4 also divides 12. Divides 12. If you connect 2 to 12, you get a transitive property. So you don't connect. 1 also divides 12. If you connect 1 to 12, you get transitive property. That means 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 12, 1 to 12. Okay. So therefore, this is the as diagram for the given set capital X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Okay. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.